For years, college students have been swapping stories and remedies for the hangover. Things to do to cure it, things to do to prevent one, and just methods of keeping their drinking to be unnoticeable. So today I'm going to discuss several myths that have been passed around campuses on how to prevent or cure hangovers. I'm going to discuss the simple science behind alcohol absorption and discuss with you why the way the body processes alcohol makes these myths untrue. So, the first myth that I'm going to discuss with you today is the myth that exercise will actually remove alcohol from the blood faster. Now, the theory is that if the blood is pumping faster, that you will remove alcohol from the body at a quicker rate. When you drink alcohol, it goes directly to the stomach and the small intestine, where it is immediately absorbed. Alcohol takes very little time to digest because it has no nutritive value whatsoever. So when it's absorbed, it goes directly into the bloodstream and is taken to the liver. The liver is a 5-lobed organ in the upper quadrant of your abdominal cavity, and this is responsible for detoxification of your blood. So that means that the liver is what removes alcohol from the body, not the muscle. It doesn't matter how much you go out and exercise or run or lift weights, pumping blood through the body faster doesn't remove alcohol faster because the liver is the one that's actually responsible for breaking down the alcohol. So muscle metabolism doesn't increase liver metabolism, so this myth is untrue. The second myth is the myth that drinking caffeine while drinking alcohol will actually cause you to excrete alcohol in your urine, therefore keeping you from getting drunk. Now, caffeine is a diuretic, which means that it causes you to go to the bathroom. When you drink caffeine, you have to pee more. However, it doesn't cause alcohol to bind to caffeine, therefore excreting it in the urine. So this myth is untrue because while caffeine causes you to pee more, it doesn't actually eliminate alcohol from your body. It remains in the bloodstream to be taken to the liver to be broken down and processed. The third and final myth I'm going to talk about today is the sauna myth. The myth that a hot steam shower or sauna will actually cause you to excrete alcohol out of your pores. Now this sounds like a very good idea. You can excrete it out of your pores, then it's no longer in your blood. It just simply doesn't work that way. You don't lose a lot of alcohol in your sweat. It remains in the bloodstream to be taken once again to the liver. I've said it several times, and I hope that you understand that the reason most of these myths are not true is because if you cannot increase liver metabolism, you're not going to increase the rate at which alcohol is removed from the body. There are several small things you can do that will prevent the hangover. One is you can eat meals that are high in protein or fat or carbs. Really just a large meal will do. And what this does is it inhibits absorption in the stomach. So when the alcohol gets there, it's competing with the food that's already present in your stomach and it doesn't get absorbed readily into the bloodstream, therefore keeping your blood alcohol content lower. Another option is to only drink 1 drink per hour. The liver can process about 1 unit of alcohol per hour, so if you only drink 1 drink an hour, then the liver can keep up with your drinking, essentially. It can process it at the same rate that you're drinking it, and that will eliminate alcohol in the blood. Finally, you can drink a lot of water, and what water does is it eliminates the possibility of dehydration, and dehydration is what is usually the symptoms of hangover. I hope that by knowing the process that alcohol goes through in the body, that you have learned a little bit and that you now know what happens and that you can make better decisions in the future about your alcohol consumption. Thank you.